At sunrise, the journey of guava candy begins with freshly harvested guava fruit. Each guava fruit is selected for ripeness and quality. Only premium guava fruit moves forward for processing. Harvested guava fruit is gathered for transport. The fresh guava fruit leaves the orchard for the next stage. Carefully handled, the guava fruit heads toward collection.
Every batch of guava fruit is weighed and recorded.
Initial field sorting ensures only quality guava fruit continues.
The harvested guava fruit awaits bulk transfer.
Mechanized handling protects the fresh guava fruit.
The journey from farm to factory begins. Fresh guava fruit is secured for safe delivery. From these trees, premium guava candy will soon be created. The fresh guava fruit moves toward modern processing. This is where guava fruit begins its transformation into premium guava candy.
The fresh guava fruit travels under controlled conditions toward the processing facility.
Arrival marks the next step in the guava fruit journey.
Documentation confirms the origin of the guava fruit.
Fresh guava fruit enters the controlled environment of the facility.
Inside the facility, precision handling begins immediately. Accurate positioning ensures safe unloading of guava fruit. The guava fruit now moves toward controlled processing. Fresh guava fruit is ready for transfer. Mechanical precision protects every guava fruit.
Keep it straight, coming to the line. Clear on the right, proceed.
The guava fruit approaches its first processing line. Preparation begins for systematic unloading. Fresh guava fruit enters the mechanical flow. From harvest to intake, the guava fruit remains carefully controlled. Inside these walls, guava fruit begins its transformation into premium guava candy. The fresh guava fruit officially enters the heart of the factory. Every movement of guava fruit is monitored with precision. Digital systems log each guava fruit batch in real time. This is where guava fruit becomes premium guava candy. Inside, synchronized operations begin around the guava fruit. Hygiene protects the integrity of every guava fruit. The guava fruit advances deeper into controlled processing. The raw guava fruit prepares for mechanical handling. The guava fruit enters the first stage of factory processing. Flow control keeps every guava fruit moving efficiently. Operational safety surrounds every guava fruit step. Climate control preserves the freshness of guava fruit. Now the guava fruit prepares for deep cleaning. Industrial washing removes field residue from every guava fruit. With washing complete, the guava fruit advances toward precision sorting for premium guava candy. The cleaned guava fruit now enters precision drying and sorting. Excess moisture is removed to prepare the guava fruit for inspection. Every guava fruit is carefully examined by trained eyes. Only premium guava fruit continues toward transformation. Automated systems support the selection of perfect guava fruit. Uniform sizing ensures consistency in guava candy production. The guava fruit now moves toward preparation. Small details matter in refining each guava fruit. A final rinse perfects the guava fruit surface. The guava fruit rises toward mechanical precision. Controlled feeding protects the structure of every guava fruit. Precision cutting prepares guava fruit for processing. Inside each guava fruit lies the foundation of premium guava candy. Seeds are removed to refine the guava fruit pulp. Now the guava fruit is ready for full transformation into guava candy. The guava fruit pulp now enters mechanical refinement. Pressure transforms guava fruit into fine, uniform pulp. Fresh guava fruit becomes concentrated pulp ready for cooking. Controlled mixing preserves the natural flavor of guava fruit. The guava fruit pulp moves toward thermal transformation.
Heat now begins shaping the future guava candy. Careful heating thickens the guava fruit naturally.
Sugar blends with guava fruit to form the candy base. Constant motion prevents burning and ensures uniform guava candy texture. Precision temperature control defines premium guava candy quality. Slow reduction intensifies the essence of guava fruit. Sugar concentration in guava fruit must meet exact standards. Perfect balance transforms guava fruit into candy-grade syrup. The cooked guava fruit mixture moves to its next transformation. From heated pulp to forming stage, guava fruit approaches its final candy form. The guava fruit mixture begins stabilizing into structured candy mass. Precision rollers shape the guava fruit into consistent form. Controlled cooling gives the guava fruit candy its firm structure. Temperature precision defines the texture of guava fruit candy. The guava fruit candy is ready for shaping. Exact dimensions ensure uniform guava fruit candy pieces. Precision cutting transforms guava fruit into individual candies. Separation ensures every guava fruit candy maintains its shape. A light glaze enhances the finish of guava fruit candy. Airflow locks in the final surface texture of guava fruit candy. Safety systems protect the purity of guava fruit candy. Every guava fruit candy meets precise weight standards. Uniform grouping prepares guava fruit candy for packaging. Protective wrapping begins for guava fruit candy. Now the guava fruit candy advances into high-speed automated packaging. Automation seals each guava fruit candy with precision and speed. Each guava fruit candy pack is securely sealed for freshness. Traceability ensures accountability for every guava fruit candy. Smart optics verify the perfection of guava fruit candy packaging. Defective guava fruit candy packs are removed instantly. Robotics organize guava fruit candy for bulk packaging. Packaging structure supports the integrity of guava fruit candy. Uniform arrangement defines professional guava fruit candy production. Every guava fruit candy carton is sealed for safe handling. Each guava fruit candy carton receives its logistical identity. Automation stacks guava fruit candy with structural precision. Protective wrapping secures the guava fruit candy shipment. Bulk verification confirms the integrity of guava fruit candy load. The guava fruit candy moves toward controlled storage. From automation to storage, guava fruit candy advances with engineered precision. Guava fruit candy moves from storage to final finishing operations. Preparation begins for final presentation of guava fruit candy. Individual guava fruit candy packs return to finishing flow. Uniform alignment ensures professional guava fruit candy display. Heat forms secure multi-packs of guava fruit candy. The guava fruit candy multi-packs are sealed with clarity and strength. Finishing touches refine the guava fruit candy presentation. Final surface cleaning enhances the appeal of guava fruit candy. Every guava fruit candy pack reflects consistent branding. Guava fruit candy is prepared for retail distribution. Secure closure protects the guava fruit candy inside. Traceable identification completes the guava fruit candy record. Final human inspection confirms guava fruit candy excellence. Retail-ready guava fruit candy is organized for shipment. Before dispatch, guava fruit candy undergoes final quality verification. Before release, guava fruit candy must pass final laboratory inspection. Random sampling ensures every batch of guava fruit candy meets standards. Texture defines the quality of guava fruit candy. Measured resistance confirms proper formation of guava fruit candy. Sweetness balance ensures consistency in guava fruit candy flavor. Controlled moisture preserves the shelf life of guava fruit candy. Hygiene testing safeguards the safety of guava fruit candy. Environmental monitoring confirms guava fruit candy safety. Seal strength protects guava fruit candy during transport. Durability testing ensures guava fruit candy survives shipment. Data verification finalizes the guava fruit candy quality report. Guava fruit candy receives official clearance for dispatch. Approved guava fruit candy is secured for distribution. The journey of guava fruit candy nears completion. With quality assured, guava fruit candy prepares for final dispatch. Premium guava fruit candy begins its final journey to global markets. Temperature-controlled storage protects guava fruit candy freshness. Mechanical locking prevents movement during transit. The guava fruit candy shipment is ready to leave the factory. From factory to world, guava fruit candy begins its distribution journey. Modern logistics delivers guava fruit candy efficiently. Central storage prepares guava fruit candy for regional shipment. Organized storage ensures product longevity. Digital tracking monitors every guava fruit candy batch. Controlled storage preserves premium guava fruit candy quality. This is how modern factories produce guava fruit candy from start to finish. Distribution networks carry guava fruit candy to consumers. Premium guava fruit candy reaches markets worldwide. The transformation of fresh guava fruit into premium candy is complete. And this is how modern factories produce guava candy from start to finish.